everyone, welcome to Tan 90. Happy Dussehra and Happy Navratri from the entire Tan 90 family. Today we are going to make an exciting activity which you can do at home. So let's get started. We can use these materials: double-sided tape, cello tape, Feviquick, Fevicol, one A4 size paper, rubber band, few cardboard sheets, bamboo stick, thread, magnet and one paper pin. These are the extra materials which are required: scissor, pen and scale. So first we will use the cardboard sheet and we will cut 15 cm by 15 cm as base. This is going to be our supporting piece. So this is 22 cm by 4 cm. And this is going to be another supporting piece which is 10 cm by 4 cm. So this is 10, this is 4. Using Feviquick, we are going to make a stand of this. And this one is the another one. So we have a magnet over here. And we are going to paste it here at the top. If you want, you can give it a support as well. So this is the extra support that we have added. So this is our Ravan. So we have drawn two pieces of it so that we can stick it like this. And this is our pin. So we are going to tie a thread around it like this. So this is our base and this is going to be the floating material. So using Fevicol, I am going to stick the Ravan. So one thing here to be noted is we don't want this Ravan to be heavy. We want this lightweight. We are going to take this A4 sheet and this bamboo stick. We are going to roll it. We will cut this extra portion and with the use of this cello tape we are going to seal it. So here is the one end of the bamboo stick. So I am going to cut the extra portion and here as well. This is going to be our bow. So I am going to bend it a little. This is a rubber band. I am going to tie this rubber band on this part. I will cut the extra portion like this. I'll bend it a little more. I'm going to use another bamboo stick and make an arrow out of this. So roll the paper as we have done while making the bow. But this time we will take out the bamboo. And now I'm going to cut the extra portion. The similar way we are going to seal it. So I need only this much of length. Okay, so I'm going to cut the extra portion like this. Now I want the head and the tail of the arrow. So I can make it like this. I will going to roll it for one more time and I will cut the extra portions. Now I will take the arrow and with the help of Feviquick or Fevicol, I can paste it. This is done. I need two triangles. So this is one, this is another. Using Feviquick, I am gonna stick it. We will let it dry for some time. Now I am going to cut this double-sided tape small portion like this, and I am going to stick it here. So we are going to stick this Ravan with the help of this double side tape. So since this is a metallic pin, so we are going to put it near the magnet so that it is getting attracted by it. So something like this. So you can see there is a gap in between and our Ravan is flying. Now with the help of this bow and arrow, we are going to shoot that Ravan down. Okay. So you can draw your own Ravan or anything else of your own and have fun with this small game or small activity. Have fun. Stay tuned with 1090. Thank you.